Today, let's talk about Issy's 54-piece eye and face collection. Super exciting, but I'm not gonna lie ha. Medyo intimidating as well kasi diba you have so many options kaya parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsa-start. But you guys don't need to worry kasi today ipapakita ko lahat ng swatches. I also have a tutorial demo, even using it on my face ngayon. Kaya everything you need to know about the product, of course, share ko na. Hindi ko na rin ginawang first impressions guys. I decided na i-test na yung mga product that way. Alam ko na talaga yung sasabihin ko. And also disclaimer nga lang pala, all of these items nakuha ko for free kasi umattend ako ng event. But rest assured, of course, yung pros and cons sasabihin ko kung ano yung gusto ko, yung hindi. And yeah, that's it guys. Without any further ado, let's now talk about the new Issy Eye and Face products. This is how the packaging looks like. Slim, sturdy, aesthetically pleasing. Comes with a mirror, making it very handy and perfect for traveling and also on-the-go days. I love the packaging. Sobrang ganda, especially sa personal. Especially for those of you na kagaya ko. Slightly tamad magdala ng gamit, specifically makeup, this will be super handy and perfect kasi nga diba, customizable siya. These are some of the shadows. Again, this is a 54-piece collection kaya exciting and overwhelming at the same time. There are a total of 9 blushes, 3 bronzers, 3 contours, 3 highlighters, an eyeshadow base, and 34 eyeshadows in different finishes. When you look at the packaging, to be honest, parang sobrang liit niya, but it actually can fit a lot of stuff, which is always a plus point. It can fit 12 small pans, 6 medium or square pans, and 3 large rectangle pans. Also forgot to mention that when you purchase the palette, it comes with a pin as well that you can use to eject or remove the pans. I personally love the idea of building your own palette kasi diba hindi naman lahat ng nasa palettes na ready-made na gagamit natin. Like in my case, I have a bunch of palette but sometimes I still use other palettes because the shades that I need wala sa ginagamit ko. But for those of you na ayaw na mag-isip kung ano yung ilalagay sa pans, you guys don't need to worry. Issy is offering curated palettes as well and tinry ko sila guys to see how it looks like, and in all fairness naman, sobrang ganda ng mga selections and options na meron. If you enjoy cool tones, Spacecraft is the perfect option. If you love rosy tones, you might want to check out Courtesan. If you are into warm tones, Sundown is the way to go. If you love mattes, of course, the all matte palette is the best choice. And of course, if you love shimmers like me, then go with the all shimmer palette. Even for this, sa mga blushes, bronzers, contour, and highlight, they also offer curated palettes. Blush Trio in Dollhouse, Blush Trio in Sandcastle, Blush Trio in Dance Floor, Bronzer Trio palette, and Light and Shadow palette. These are the swatches. These are all of the face products that we have and dito tayo mag-start. And also baka may magtanong, this palette I've had for quite a while. Wild Peach yung pangalan ng brand but I think hindi na available. But you can get something like this din naman sa Shopee and Lazada. Mag-search lang kayo ng magnetic palette and for sure may makikita kayo. For bronzer, I'm using the shade Pyre which is yung lightest sa tatlo. May konti siyang fallout but as you can see maraming napipick up. Ayan guys, para makita nyo sa side view tayo. If we have the same skin tone, this is definitely the perfect shade. It's not too orange, it's not too red. Ang ganda ng pagka-bronze niya. Very easy to blend as well. Hindi siya patchy. And I can definitely see myself using this one a lot. Look at that. Also blending it sa hairline para wala siya ng parang strip or line na kulay white. Super ganda ng shade in all fairness. Blends like a dream. Actually, yung texture ng powder pinong-pino kaya. So guys can see ang ganda ng lapat sa skin. Okay yung pigmentation niya guys. It's buildable kaya hindi nakakatakot gamitin. Very natural sun-kissed. Ganun lang yung atake. Again, this side is with and this one is without. Kung naghahanap kayo ng bronzer na perfect for everyday, this one baka magustuhan niyo because it looks so nice. It looks so pretty. And maganda yung kapit niya sa skin. Kahit close up, hindi siya yung parang nagpapachi-pachi. Look at that. Diba? This one is Haze and ito yung gagamitin ko for contour. Actually, medyo nakabahan ako dito kasi when you look at it, diba sa pan, parang warm siya. But we'll see. Titingnan natin kung pasok ba talaga siya for contouring. Oh, actually, you know what guys? First of all, be careful, of course, kasi pigmented. But the color is actually good. A bit on the warm side, but to be honest, I don't mind. Ali nga lang yung brush na nagamit ko, but wait lang, ayusin natin. Found my brush, so I'm just gonna blend it. Now that I'm blending it, you know what guys? I like the color. You have to be light-handed lang talaga when picking up the product, but once you blend it naman, it blends really well, same sa contour, or sorry, sa bronzer. Just gonna clean the center. Also connecting it sa brows. Same contour shade, maglalagay ako ng konti sa aking cheekbone. Also dragging it here sa patilya kasi napansin kong medyo light dito. It looks natural, hindi siya super gray, may konting warmth, kaya ang gandang tignan. And also pag nag-mix sa bronzer, ang ganda ng combination. Sobrang daming blushes and to be honest, medyo intimidating. And of course, it's up to you na kung anong kulay yung pipiliin nyo because iba-iba naman tayo ng preference when it comes sa shades. But the good thing though is that we have so many options kaya for personal man or professional use, marami kayong pagpipilian. You guys know me, hindi ako experimental when it comes sa mga colors ng blushes. I know what works for me and yung bagay kaya of course, ayun yung gagamitin ko. And having said that, ito yung napili kong gamitin, si Erotic. Little to none fallout and maraming napipick up sa brush. I'm gonna go side view para makita nyo. And this is how it looks like. Pigmented guys, so be careful. Oh my god, naparami yata yung akin. Color-wise, it's actually brighter than I thought. I usually go for something muted, mga soft pink, ganon. But this one is parang medyo may pagka-coral. It looks nice though, I'm not gonna lie. Same sa bronzer and contour, very easy to blend, pigmented, so dapat light-handed. And again, this is how it looks like kapag naka-side view. Ang ganda ng color selection kasi diba ang daming options. Pinks, purples, warm tones, cool tones. But I'm not gonna lie ha, I wish meron pang mga lighter shades, something na mas wearable. I mean, these are wearable din naman, but you know, I'm hoping na sa next release ng mga shades, merong mga soft colors, mga pa-sweet lang, ganun. But yeah, all in all, I'm very happy. Tsaka the good thing about these naman kasi is that since powder sila, pwedeng ipag-mix para makagawa kayo ng custom shade. And diba, if you want to be different, just mix them and for sure, wala na kayong kapareho. And also baka may magtanong nga pala, this one very close yung kulay sa popular na Dior blush. I mean, you know, if hindi naman kayo brand conscious, gusto nyo lang yung kulay, gusto nyo itry yung kulay, just go for this one, yung sa Issy. I'm just gonna fix my foundation guys kasi nagkakrak sa gilid ng ilong. Sobrang dami nating selection pagdating sa eyes. We have cool tones, warm tones, mattes, shimmers. For transition, I'm using the shade Grage. Wait, munti ko na makalimutan. Hindi ko na nga pala gagamitin to guys ha, yung eyeshadow and concealer base because usually hindi naman talaga ako gumagamit nito. But anyway, going back, this is Grage and ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking crease. I'm doing a cool toned look by the way, smoky and glittery. I wanna do something intense. So far, so good. Walang fallout. Eyeshadow is easy to blend and maganda yung kapit niya sa lid. Even without the eyeshadow base. I'm gonna put it also sa inner part. Ito namang Phantom yung next color na gagamitin ko. Using a smaller blender. Medyo may fallout. For those of you na beginner, I suggest na mag-start muna kayo sa eyes or kaya naman, if naka-base na kayo, maglagay na lang kayo ng powder sa ilalim that way. Kapag may fallout, iba-brush nyo lang and sasama na sa powder. Just going to apply it sa outer part and i-stamp muna natin siya. I-stamp sa stamp. I'm gonna stamp it. Ganon. Of course, I'm making sure na light-handed that way yung transition color hindi mawala. Tapos, medyo i-drag natin siya hanggang sa center. And then, using the pointy part, i-blend ko siya sa socket para magkaroon ng depth. These two together look so freaking good. Going back sa first color and just blending everything to make sure na soft yung edges and mawala yung harsh lines. Using this tiny blender, I'm picking up the shade Night, which is yung black. Applying it on the outer part as well. Actually, ang ganda ng black na to guys. Talagang black na black yung color. Kaya perfect siyang pang smoke out or pang detail. I know super basic color but definitely a must have kasi sobrang daming pwedeng paggamitan. Of course, aside for eyeshadow, you can also use this as a liner. Even for brows, pwede. Pang base, especially sa shimmers, bagay na bagay din siya. Kasi mas magpa-pop yung colors. Change my mind, gamitin natin tong eyeshadow base pang parang cut crease or para base ng shimmer. Para lang may kapitan yung shimmer but it doesn't have to be thick base naman. Of course, taking my time to make sure na talagang sharp and precise yung shade. Ito yung shade na gagamitin ko for shimmer, Supernova. And I think to apply this, I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh, wow. Look at... Ang ganda talaga ng mga shimmer, guys. Kasi sinwatch ko lang sila sa arm, pero sa eyes, hindi ko pa nalalagay. Yung mga matte shades, nasubukan ko na sa eyes. But these shimmers, first time kong ilalagay sa lid. I'm obsessed. Look how foiled it is. Literally like liquid metal. Sobrang ganda. I swear guys, these shimmers are out of this world. Grabe itong mga shimmer guys. I'm really impressed with the quality. Sobrang bihira akong mag-cool tone, but this one, I'm really happy na sinubukan ko, na ginamit ko kasi ang ganda. Anyway, I'm just gonna finish the other eye, then I'll be back. Going back with Phantom, picked up a little bit tapos i-blend lang natin yung shimmer sa matte. That way, hindi siya maging harsh kasi 'di ba? When you look at it, especially this one, look, 'di ba? Sobrang heavy. So, to have a diffused color, ayan, ipag-merge natin sila. Ayan, i-blend lang natin. Look at this area, 'di ba? Hindi na harsh tingnan. Of course, same goes on the other eye. Actually, feeling ko nga itong cut crease na to medyo na-butcher ko. Ang ganda ng shimmer, guys. Oh my God. Lalo kapag tinatamaan ng ilaw. Lower lash line, I'm going to start with Grage. Grage is yung transition color natin, by the way. Tapos gagawin ko lang talaga siyang smoky. Then I'm gonna go with this one, Keros or Caros. I'm just gonna apply it as close to the lash line as possible. Also, here sa inner part, lalagay din natin. And then si Phantom naman. And what I'm basically doing is, imimix ko lang siya dun sa naunang color. Also, medyo hini-heavy ko kasi minsan lang ako mag-makeup. Balik tayo sa shimmer and ito yung shade na gagamitin ko, si Moonlight. Ito, this one. This one. And for this, ilalagay ko lang siya sa inner half. Another shimmer shade na sobrang ganda. Look at that. Ang ganda ng kulay niya actually. It's silver na parang gunmetal na may blue shift. Medyo mahirap i-describe, but one thing is for sure. It is stunning. It's perfect. I mean, just look at that, diba? Ang ganda ng effect niya sa eyes. To be honest, sobrang bihira ako na mag-highlight, guys. Oily and textured kasi yung skin ko, kaya I normally skip it na. Kaya for today's video, guys, susubukan ko yung highlight, but sa inner corner lang ng eyes. Etong lightest shade, si Blonde, para ma-brighten. Maganda siya pang inner corner. So, again, di ko na ginagamit sa cheeks, sa forehead, sa nose. So, this one for sure will be for the inner corner na lang. Sige, lagay na rin tayo ng konti dito sa brow bone. If you love using highlights, this is a must-try. Ganda ng formula niya. Also, can I just say nga pala guys, sinwatch ko kasi to. Ayan, eto silang tatlo. And to be honest, eto lang lightest shade yung feeling ko pinakamaganda. Yung dalawa, parang medyo nakukulangan ako. Sa akin lang naman ha. But of course, if you love the other shades, then by all means, go ahead. Pera nyo yan di ba? Charot. This is the finished look. Overall, super happy with the collection kasi sobrang daming worth trying. Formula, I don't have anything bad to say kasi very blendable, pigmented, great for any occasion. You have so many colors to choose from. And yung pricing, actually reasonable siya kasi kapag binili nyo ng buo na, mas malaki yung discount. I love the products but I just want to let you all know na huwag kayong ma-FOMO or fear of missing out kasi these products naman guys, hindi limited edition. So, mawala man or ma-sold out, babalik at babalik. I highly recommend trying them of course kasi nga gusto ko yung formula and talagang ang ganda ng finish, ang ganda ng itsura sa face. Pero kung balak nyo bumili, ang suggestion ko is that bumili muna kayo ng tig-isa per category. Isang blush, isang bronzer, isang contour, isang highlight, probably 2 to 3 eyeshadows and i-test nyo muna. And ayun, kapag na-enjoy nyo, diba? Tsaka nyo unti-unting bilhin. Maghintay kayo ng sale kapag nagkaroon sila ng offers, discounts. Because to be honest, even though I recommend these products, I feel like for personal use, you don't need to get everything. Sobrang dami kasi talaga, diba? So make sure to check swatches muna and talagang alamin nyo kung ano yung shade na alam nyo gusto nyo and babagay sa inyo. But for those of you na makeup artist, this is heaven kasi talagang magagamit nyo lahat. Any occasion, any event, any skin tone, for sure meron ditong babagay sa client nyo. And just look at them, diba? Sobrang professional tignan. Also forgot to mention that the good thing about these products is that sobrang versatile nila. Like yung mga dark shades dito, pwede din siyang eyeliner and also brow powder. These ones, lagyan nyo lang ng Duraline, pwede nang gamiting liner for creative looks, bagay na bagay. And to end this video guys, overall for me, highly recommend these products. Sobrang ganda ng quality. Lahat ng products sobrang enjoy ko except sa isa and that is yung highlight because again, hindi na nga ako nag-highlight and medyo nakulangan ako sa quality ng highlighters. But for eyeshadows, blushes, bronzers, and contours, these are definitely worth giving a try. For sure, ma-enjoy nyo din.